The vast expanse of space stretches out before us, an endless canvas of wonder and mystery. Billions of galaxies glitter like diamonds on black velvet, each one a beacon of light in the vast darkness. Swirling nebulae paint masterpieces of color and light, their vibrant hues a testament to the creativity of the cosmos. Each twinkling star, a testament to the Creator's hand, tells a story of time and space, of birth and death. In the quiet majesty of the cosmos, we glimpse the infinite power of God, a power that transcends our understanding. He who spoke the universe into being, whose words ignited the stars and set the galaxies spinning. He who set the stars in motion, orchestrating the dance of the cosmos with precision and grace. His presence echoes through the eons, a constant reminder of his eternal nature and boundless love. Look up at the night sky and feel his presence, a comforting embrace that spans the universe. He is bigger than our problems, his vastness dwarfing our worries and fears. He is greater than our fears, his strength a fortress in times of trouble. In the face of such grandeur, our hearts find peace, a tranquility that comes from knowing we are not alone. Our spirits soar with hope, lifted by the beauty and majesty of the universe. We are reminded that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a grand design that connects us all. Jesus, the Son of God, walked among us. He taught us love, compassion, and forgiveness. His teachings offer a path to lasting joy and fulfillment. When we follow his example, we invite joy into our lives. We experience the peace that surpasses all understanding. This joy is not dependent on our circumstances. It is a deep-seated knowing. We are loved beyond measure. We are guided by a God who cares. Choose to walk in his ways. Experience the abundance of his love. Open your heart to the joy that awaits you. Faith is like a tapestry woven with threads of trust and belief. Each thread represents a moment of surrender, a step of faith, and a whisper of hope. Together, they form a beautiful pattern that tells a story of resilience and grace. It is believing in God's goodness even when we don't understand. When the path ahead seems unclear, faith lights the way, guiding us through the darkness and uncertainty. It is trusting his plan even when we can't see the outcome. In moments of doubt, faith reassures us that there is a greater purpose, a divine plan unfolding in ways we cannot yet comprehend. Positivity is the vibrant color that brings this tapestry to life. It is the energy that infuses every thread with joy and optimism, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. When we choose a positive mindset, we align ourselves with God's promises. Positivity is a conscious choice, a decision to see the good in every situation and to trust in the abundance of blessings that surround us. We open ourselves to the possibilities he has in store. Focus on the good, believe in the best, expect miracles. By embracing positivity, we invite miracles into our lives, creating a space where dreams can flourish and grow. Your faith, combined with a positive outlook, will create a masterpiece beyond your wildest dreams. Together, they weave a story of hope, love, and endless possibilities, a testament to the power of believing and the beauty of a life lived with purpose. Our thoughts are powerful. They are the seeds that create our reality. Every action, every outcome begins with a thought. Choose your thoughts carefully. Nurture the ones that bring life, hope, and joy. When negative thoughts come, and they will, don't entertain them. Replace them with God's truth. Speak his promises over your life. You are fearfully and wonderfully made. You are more than a conqueror through Christ. Believe it and watch your life transform. Section 5. The universe responds to faith. The universe is not indifferent to our faith. It listens, it feels, and it responds to the vibrations we emit. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs send out waves of energy into the cosmos. It responds to the energy we put out. When we radiate positivity, hope, and unwavering belief, the universe mirrors that energy back to us in ways we might not even comprehend. Conversely, when we live in fear and doubt, we attract more of the same. Our negative thoughts create a barrier, blocking the flow of blessings and opportunities. But when we operate from a place of faith, the universe conspires to make our dreams a reality. It aligns circumstances, people, and events to support our journey. This is not about manipulating the universe. It's about understanding the natural laws that govern it and working in harmony with them. It is about aligning ourselves with God's will. When we surrender our desires to a higher purpose, we find that the universe supports us in unimaginable ways. When our desires are in harmony with His plan, nothing can stop us. We become unstoppable forces of nature, driven by divine purpose. Have faith the size of a mustard seed and you can move mountains. This faith is not just a passive belief, but an active trust in the unseen. Believe in the impossible and watch God make a way. Trust that the universe is a friendly place, eager to help you fulfill your highest potential. Section 6. Recognizing divine synchronicities. Have you ever experienced a series of seemingly coincidental events that led to something amazing? Those are not mere coincidences. They are divine synchronicities. They are God's way of guiding us, nudging us in the right direction. The more we live in faith and joy, the more we open ourselves to these synchronicities. We become more attuned to the whispers of the divine. Pay attention to the signs. Follow the breadcrumbs. They will lead you to your destiny. Section 7. Embracing the flow of faith. Living a life of faith is like navigating a river. There will be times of smooth sailing and times of rapids. There may be obstacles along the way, but through it all, God is our anchor. Trust the flow. When challenges arise, don't lose heart. Remember that God is with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. He will calm the storms. He will make your path straight. Embrace the journey. It is in the challenges that we grow stronger. The universe is constantly unfolding, revealing new opportunities, new adventures, new joys. Don't limit yourself with fear and doubt. Step out in faith and embrace the unknown. The universe is waiting to surprise you. Every day is a new beginning, a chance to start fresh, to dream bigger, to love more deeply. Don't dwell on past mistakes. Learn from them and move forward. The best is yet to come. Joy is not a destination, it's a way of life. It's about finding the good in every situation. It's about choosing gratitude even when things are tough. It's about dancing to the rhythm of God's love. When we focus on the positive, we attract more positivity into our lives. We become contagious with joy, spreading it to everyone we meet. Choose joy, choose gratitude, choose love. It will change your life. Section 10. The Dance of Faith and Gratitude. Faith and gratitude go hand in hand. When we have faith, we believe in God's goodness, and that naturally leads to gratitude. Gratitude, in turn, strengthens our faith. It's a beautiful dance that lifts us higher. Take time every day to count your blessings. Be thankful for the big things and the small things. The more you focus on what you're grateful for, the more you'll find to be grateful for. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the fullness of God's blessings. Section 11. Finding joy in the journey. Life is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns. Don't get so caught up in reaching the destination that you miss the beauty of the journey itself. Enjoy the present moment. Savor the simple pleasures. Find joy in the everyday miracles, the laughter of a child, the warmth of the sun on your skin, the love of family and friends. These are the moments that make life worth living. Section 12. Trusting the divine choreography. Just like a dancer surrenders to the music and the choreography, we must surrender to the divine plan. Trust that God is leading you in the right direction, even when you don't understand. Let go of the need to control everything. Embrace the unknown. Trust that God is working behind the scenes, orchestrating every detail of your life for your good. When you let go and let God, you open yourself to the most amazing possibilities. Section 13. Awaken to the joy within. The greatest joy is not found in external circumstances. It is not dependent on possessions or achievements. True joy comes from within. It is a gift from God, available to all who seek Him. Take time to connect with God. Pray, meditate, read His Word. As you draw closer to Him, you will experience a joy that is deeper and more fulfilling than anything this world has to offer. Awaken to the joy within and let it radiate outward, touching every aspect of your life.